inside. Oh yeah.
How's it different?
It's different. I can't. That top joint here either innately doesn't have the range there, or it's maybe when you pull back and injured it. It's used it. It's hard to tell. Different horses have obviously a different degrees of dorsal movement. Yeah, it's always have the most. But this is horrible stiffness. Again, it's actually deep in. Okay, relax. But you stand up and back that way there. Oh, sorry, that way a little bit.
Which way?
That way. Yeah. In a sense, hyposensitive. Pain comes with movement.
Yeah.
When they get to the point they're not moving at all,
Yeah.
there's no pain.
Yeah,
I
okay.
had one horse in Turkey, which is doctor owned, and every time I went he wanted me to knock this out, but I could go like this, he's dead. Once we knocked it out, I realised.
Yeah. It was actually not moving
no,
because it...
yeah.
Yeah.
I'll get you, take a seat. It's just going to be, as much as there's, lots of range there, the range that's missing is
Me.
To open up.
Yeah.
Whoopsies.
Easy, big girl.
Is it moving at all?
these ones. Less in here. Boy, it's like you just find it, you push and finally it's just like a couple of millimetres and it'll stop again. Just got to keep shifting. So back to you.
You can give me a massage after this.
You can use my exercise when you get home.
Oh, that's it.
So I can take it over with you.
Right now we're just starting to get some.
Give it up.
When he had that incident, he's just giving his whole spine a wrench.
Look, and to be honest, he's a twat in the paddock. He'll gallop at a fence and just slide and fall over and get back up, and
What you might find is he probably can't turn quick enough.
And if he tears off, if he gallops, he likes to chuck in a little bump. And somebody said that's him trying to self-adjust.
Right. Well, yeah. As I say, it's interesting because he has, as you can see, he has pretty good range. But it's just goes from great movement to usually get sort of from normal to, slightly stiff and move through, and then a bit like the left-hand side of that last one. When I got the point, we just got like a lump of wood.
Yeah.
Over him, it just goes from nice, lovely movement to. Okay, what we're going to do at the moment, do something on the side.
Oh, you're an enormous beast.
Right. You want to swap and have a
Yeah.
rest?
Are you right? Yeah.
Right, this is actually, I suspect already this is not a good side. No. Look at that. Right, okay. So, to the right was, this is his bad side. That's good. Relax.
That's heavy, man.
Right. In the direction there. Just if you have to lean back so you can get a good. Hold on. You can see him straight to there. Whereas the other side, but it really range itself is pretty good. So what we have here is lack of movement for right. And his left side is the one that's lost range. And that will invariably coincide with the foot that has the most problems.
Yeah,
Well, when we're talking about left side, so the left foot front would be more sensitive. And that's obviously why when
when
the
you
barrier
pick up the
holds him,
right,
he
yeah.
tries to find a way off it. So just his own weight is making him uncomfortable. Yeah. So that works. Okay, another drag. So he's being ridden or isn't he?
No, it's just his own. And I've got a hip injury.
No.
Sort of not doing anything to it.
It's just going to be important within 4 weeks that he starts doing some work
Yeah,
on the saddle and on this side, you know?
yeah.
Because this is just going to go back to being, you don't continue the movement, it's likely to go back. And this is long standing. Okay, relax again. I know that because it's hurting me.
Good girl, Mossy.
Right, when you take a seat. Sit back a little further. You're right, just put back towards you. So this is range he hasn't had for years and years and years and years. So it's almost like it. Okay, relax again. Go back to here again. We're not going to run there.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Through there again. As much as you can. But slowly you can see our marks coming down.
Yeah.
But it's hard work because it's literally simply not used.
Would that be worse than the wild one?
I can't remember now. So all I can show you is this part of the range we're working through now. Here it's not used. 5, 6, 7 years. Relax again. So I'm just now doing what I can. Oh, it's fine. Yeah, so he's a good example of. So that's why that foot is more sensitive.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, that sensitivity is going to take will be gradual.
Yeah.
And of course, the more range you get,
Yeah.
the better it's going to be.
Yeah.
So what we don't want is going back to whatever. So it can just be walking on the saddle to swing.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Well, not trot, but just
Yeah.
walking, just swinging the turn
Yeah.
head. Yeah. Obviously, you can do your carrots and everything, but it's going to take a bit more than that. You know? No way. Now this may be one if you're happy with the result, 12 months time,
Yeah.
you could have a go at the, just trying to get that last little bit. But it's going to be important that in the next 6 months what we do is maintain.
Yeah.
We're going to have one more tag.
This way?
Through here again, yeah. Okay, so, yeah, I mean that's good thing we're going to apply pressure now. He's moving. So that's interesting. Yeah, the reason there's no pain, if there was a little bit of movement, you'd have the sensitivity. Right? It's like joints, you're not going to have rotten joints like custom joints, just drill them out, so you set with them.
Oh, okay.
Whilst they move, there's pain.
Yeah.
They drill them out so they set, there's no pain.
Doesn't move, it doesn't hurt.
Isn't it? The thing about if your joint is fused, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
But you might just try one more.
Yep.
Go through there. Give it. Occasionally with these ones, he might come back tomorrow and he might be lame. Okay?
Yeah.
Foot sore or something?
Yeah.
Or he's got a stone bruise.
Yeah.
Don't panic. It's just those nerves haven't been stretched.
Yeah.
Sometimes we actually exacerbate it.
Yeah.
Over the next 5 or 6 days it just
Settled.
settles.
So do I need to keep him contained